The recipe we're making today is a peach cobbler. This is a perfect summertime treat. This is healthy, it's vegan, and it is guilt-free. The one thing I love about this recipe is it has less than 5 ingredients, and you can make this within 10 minutes. It's a no-fail recipe for anyone to make. Okay, so the way we're going to make this recipe is I have a couple ingredients. You can use whatever nut you want. Some people will use pecans. So the first ingredient that we're going to be using is walnuts. Now I have about 2.5 cups. This is going to give it a fatty flavor. The more nuts you use, the more fatty flavor. And then I have dates. I have about 8 dates actually, because I'm going to want it to have a sweet flavor. And we're going to go ahead and pulse. Okay, so now we're done making the crust. And I have just a regular clear pot that I'm going to use. You can use whatever you want. And all you're going to do is you're going to put this mixture into the bottom of your pan. And you're just going to, I'm going to use my fingers. You're just going to pat it down. This is going to be the crust. Okay, so that's perfect. And next I'm going to add a layer of peaches. So we're just going to put them all along the bottom. Now this doesn't have to be perfect. You can just toss them on in however you like. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to do one more layer of the crumbled mixture. And one final layer of the peaches to go on top. Now this recipe is perfect for a dessert, after dinner dessert, or you can even have this as a breakfast substitute. Now on top I like to put a little extra walnuts, and I just like coconut flakes, so I'm just going to put just a couple little crumbles on top. And there you have a raw vegan, less than 10-minute recipe, guilt-free dessert. It is absolutely amazing.